Hi everyone, welcome to the Lashes online channel. My name is Victoria. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, it will help promote my videos. In this episode, want to pay attention to the direction of growth of native eyelashes. Let's see how this girl's eyelashes grow. It is very important to specify this before extensions, because it will be determined by what effect and what curl we will extend. The girl has unusual eyelashes. If you look closely, her eyelashes grow in a chaotic order, which means that an even eyelash line will be more difficult to make. Let's look again. These are the eyelashes that grow down. They are located along the entire length of the eye. And these are the eyelashes that grow up, and they are also present throughout the eye. Another thing I noticed is that the rows of lashes are far apart from each other. The lowest row is far away from the top row, so the lash line is probably not going to be even. It was the first time this girl came to me to get eyelash extensions, but since she had already had eyelash extensions done and knew what she liked best, she chose the effect, length and curl on her own, which was a doll effect, in a D curl and with a maximum length of 12. Even though we didn't have the goal of a perfectly straight lash line, I still decided to do 2 rows of extensions to make the extensions look neater. I combined 11 lengths with 12 lengths. All the upper rows will be 11 lengths and the lower rows will be 12 lengths. Chaotically growing eyelashes, then up and down, are not common. Sometimes they can even be overlooked, but I try to always carefully consider the direction of eyelash growth. If the client came to me for the first time, I also visually divide the eye into 3 parts, the inner, central and outer, and see how the eyelashes grow in each of these parts, as it often happens that in the center of the eyelashes grow straight, and in the outer corner grow down. It is important to decide this before extensions in order to choose the right effect. How come chaotically growing eyelashes do not give us an even lash line? If you see eyelashes that grow downward, the artificial eyelash will also be directed downward, and if you see an eyelash that grows upward, the artificial eyelash will also be directed upward, so the bundles will be directed in different directions. And no matter how much you try to comb them, the ideal eyelash line will not turn out. If I were to choose a curl, then this client I would have grown a curl C, as it is suitable for any direction of growth of eyelashes, and would also leave the buildup in 2 rows. But of course, the master must keep in mind the desire of the client and do what she likes best. I recommend you to build up exactly curl C, if you doubt whether the other curl will suit the client. If you have any questions, write in the comments, I will answer them all. And also, write in the comments how you like this job. I hope this video was useful for you. Be sure to like, subscribe to the channel and see you soon.